Hello and welcome to the Wallmantra Show. I'm your host Harshita, and today I'm going to share all the tips and tricks to decorate your home like a professional interior designer. Most of us live in apartments, which is comfortable yet a little tricky place to show off all your creativity. So I'm going to share a few tips to make your apartment look spacious. One of the best things to do is to install mirrors and wall shelves. They are quite affordable and will make your space look bigger and uncluttered. Adding rugs and carpets to your space makes it look divided and gives an illusion of a bigger space. Go for neutral colors and abstract prints while choosing a rug or a carpet. Choose crystal chandeliers that are not too big. Create 2 or 3 levels of lighting, for example, ceiling, table or floor lamps. So guys, that was all for today. For more tips and tricks, stay tuned to the Wallmantra Show.